Today on Sip Bite Go, we're making spinach pesto pasta with bacon. It's a mix between comfort food and getting a huge serving of vegetables. So join me, Jenna Passaro, as we go into the kitchen to make this tasty pasta dish. The first thing you do is cook the bacon. You could do this in a frying pan, or you could heat an oven to 400 degrees and add strips of bacon to parchment-lined rim sheet tray. Anyways, you need to continue flipping the bacon so it cooks evenly, and you can cook it until it's done to your own likeness. I do this for about 10 minutes. Next, you need to boil the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil on heat, cook pasta to al dente, drain, and set aside. Then you have to saute the peppers. I like to try to use as few pans as possible. Add some olive oil and orange pepper to a large skillet over medium heat. Stir regularly, caramelizing the pepper for about 10 minutes and until the pepper is soft and edges start to brown. Turn off the heat and leave sauteed peppers in the pan for assembling the pasta dish later. Next, you need to toast the walnuts. Add walnuts to a small skillet on the stove over medium-low heat, and you don't need to add oil or butter, just heat the walnuts as is. Stir them regularly for a few minutes until they are lightly browned and fragrant. Next, you make the spinach pesto. Add fresh basil, spinach, toasted walnuts, 3 tablespoons olive oil, lemon zest and juice, salt, pepper, garlic, red pepper flakes, and some water to a food processor. It's a bunch of things, but you just throw them in there and you puree until smooth. Now, this is the final and best part. You get to assemble the pasta dish. In a large skillet, mix together bacon, pasta, peppers, and spinach pesto. Turn the heat down to medium if needed to reheat the mix together, but you definitely don't want to heat up the pesto too much. You want the other ingredients to be warm and to add the lukewarm pesto or the room temperature pesto so it just combines. Serve with basil, a crack of fresh ground pepper, Parmesan cheese, whatever you'd like. I absolutely love to have this pesto on pasta, but if you have leftovers, you can use it as a vegetable dip too. It's really delicious. Well, I can't wait for you to make this delicious, delicious dish. It's one of my favorites here, and even just working on this video to share it with you makes me really want to eat some more of it. I actually already added a lot of spinach and some basil to my grocery order for this week. If you love to eat delicious food, make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube. I have so many delicious recipes heading your way. Subscribe today. Anyone who knows me knows I'm a true believer in pairing the perfect condiment with a meal to make it feel complete. If you want to get that restaurant quality taste at home, the secret is all in the sauce. Visit freesaucebook.com to get your hands on my new recipe guide that has tons of sauces to add flavor to your dishes. That's freesaucebook.com. Well, until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Don't forget to check out more recipe videos by Sip Bite Go.